Even America's seniors cannot escape the student loan crisis, debt crisis. Indeed, it is true. The amount of student loan debt held by those over 65 remains comparatively low, about $18 billion dispersed across 700,000 households, which is about 3% of seniors, right? However, the volume of the debt is growing so rapidly. Just 8 years ago, senior citizens only had $2.8 billion in student loan debt, meaning their debt burden has quadrupled in under a decade. The rapid increase of debt reflects two problems, both the soaring cost of college tuition and the recent recession. Many adults found themselves laid off in the twilight of their careers to decide to go back to school and try education to gain more education. For some, the debt burden, is either delaying or preventing their retirement, and the other group are those seniors who helped their young adult children get an education, and they're paying that debt off. So basically, the student loan debt went from $2.8 billion among senior citizens to $18 billion. Ridiculous, America. Ridiculous. We should be outraged that seniors are not willing or cannot retire after working 65 years. Well, less than that, but you understand what I'm trying to say, right? And now they can't retire. Unsurprisingly, this is a GA, a Government Accountability Office report, found that seniors are significantly more likely to be in default in their student loan debt, which is undermining the retirement of thousands of people. Over 150,000 seniors are having their Social Security benefits garnished to pay student loan debt. With the amount protected from garnishment insufficient to keep seniors above the poverty line. Student loan debt typically cannot be discharged in bankruptcy, meaning there's no easy way to get rid of it besides repayment or death. And sometimes even in death, you can't get rid of you can't discharge student loan debt. It's a sad state of affairs, America. Vote. That's why you have a Warner bill out there who's trying to change this. But we really need action from Washington on student loan debt. I'm sorry. We need those 3 Republican senators who voted against cloture to vote the other way. I mean, this is not a Republican or Democratic issue. This is an American issue. Just saying.